Make sure you use Google Chrome as your web browser. You would have received the KYC invitation link. Click on the link and now click on send OTP. Now you would have received the OTP in your mail, same email. Reload and copy the OTP. Paste it here and click on verify OTP. Now we can start the KYC process. Now enter your name as in PAN. We have blurred out sensitive information. Enter these basic details. And click on verify CAPTCHA. Next step is uploading your PAN. Click on the box and a pop-up will open. A dialog box will be opened. Choose your PAN image. Now check if everything is automatically detected and click on the next step. Now upload your Aadhaar front and back. You can also upload your documents here either by dragging, dropping them. After clicking on upload, you will see that everything has been automatically detected. And now here is the critical part. From the address, if there is any name, for example your father's name or your name, the address, then strike that out, and also strike out your city and state name from the address. And below, if you see that district and city name are always same, so make sure the district and city name is correct, and click on the both boxes, check box, and check if last 4 Aadhaar number is right. And now click on the next step. Here it will ask for more additional details. Make sure you enter it properly. After entering your mother's name and your annual income and the place of birth, check if every detail is correct and click on next step. Here if you are not politically exposed, then you can click on no. And next step, here you have to upload your signature file and click on next step. Here you have to upload your passport size photograph. Click on upload and next step. And this step is very important. This step is called video KYC. Here you would have to read out the numbers which is on your screen. Begin this process by clicking on start recording, and a pop-up will appear saying allow your camera and microphone. Allow your camera and microphone, and then read out the numbers loudly. Make sure your face is visible, and then click on stop recording. After that, click on upload. Here you will be redirected to a page. Now you have to click on e-sign contact. Here you will be redirected to the Aadhaar verification website. Enter your Aadhaar number and click on send OTP. You would have received your OTP on the registered mobile number. You would have received OTP in the mobile number that is linked with your Aadhaar. If you have not updated your mobile number with your Aadhaar, you might have received it in your parents' mobile number. Now wait, don't close the page. Wait for 10 seconds. Now click on submit video KYC application. Only now the process is completed. Thank you.